Good morning, all of you. Hope all are doing well. In the previous class, in the chapter Basics of Geometrical Ideas, we learned some basic points. That means about the point, about ray, line, segment, angle, and those are all things we discussed. And in today's class, some more basics points. And today we are going to learn curves and after that polygons. First curve. If we draw a line without lifting a pencil or pen and without using scale, then it is called curve. If we use it scale, then it is line. Without used any scale or without lifting pen or pencil, if we draw any figure, then it is called curve. Curves are two types, open curves and closed curves. And first closed curves. Look, one diagram I am drawing here. And in this one, where I started, I came back there only again. After drawing some figure, so I came back there only. Look. So in this all figures, where I started and came back again to that point. That means the curves whose starting, beginning and end points are same, then such type of curves are called closed curves. And moreover, in closed curves, simple closed curves. Simple closed curves means simple closed curves. If the closed curves not cross it, that means here in this one, this curve is crossing this figure. Look, started and it is crossing here. So it is class only closed curve, but in this figure observe, I started from here and came back here again, but it is not cross. So that's why it is called a simple closed figure. So closed figure means the curves which have beginning or starting point and end points same. And simple closed curve means the curves which not cross it are called simple closed figures. And now open curves. Open curves. The curves whose starting and end points differs. Look, it is A and its end point is B. Both are differs. So such types of curves are called open curves. See here D. Starting point, end point. So these curves are not closed. If starting and end points both are same, then only those curves are closed. Otherwise, open curves. And the next one is polygons. Polygon means a simple closed figure bounded by line segments are called polygons. Line segments means we know part of a line, it have two endpoints, so it is a line segment. So look, one figure, AB line segment and one more line segment, AC line segment and BC one more line segment. So this is simple closed figure bounded by line segments here, AB, BC, CA. So it is called a polygon. One more look, AB, BC one more line segment, CD one more line segment, AD one more line segment. This is also simple closed figure. It is this one bounded by line segments. So next one more also observe, AB, AC, BD, DE and C. So here this one also simple closed figure. This figure also bounded by line segments. So we define by these figures, these simple closed figures, these polygons by number of line segments. So here in this polygon, 3 line segments. So it is 3 line segments here, 3-sided polygon. It is name of this polygon is triangle. And moreover, what the line segments are there, we call them as sides of that figure. So here line segments we called as sides. So here 3 line segments, that means 3 sides, 3-sided polygon is called triangle. Here 4 line segments, that means 4 sides, 4-sided polygon is called quadrilateral. And here 5 line segment, that means 5 sides, 5 sides polygon is called a pentagon. So by using number of sides, we are giving names to different polygons. 3 triangle, next quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, like that. And now I am drawing one quadrilateral here. Name of this quadrilateral is A, B, C, D. So it has 4 sides and 4 angles. What are the sides here? AB, BC, and next CD, and next DA. So 4 sides, and AB and DA are meeting at one point. Look here. AB line segment, AB side and DA side both are meeting at one point. So this point is called vertex. And AB and BC both are meeting at one point, that means at B. So it is one more vertex. BC and CD both are meeting at one point, that means at C it is one more vertex. And next CD and AD both are meeting at one point, that means at D. So one more vertex. So how many vertices it has? Plural of vertex is vertices. How many vertices it has? 4. So this quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 vertices. And now adjacent sides. Adjacent means side by side. So AB and D and AD, AB and AD meeting at a same common point. That means both are having one common point. Such type of sides are called as adjacent sides. Adjacent. If 2 sides have one common vertex, then those 2 sides are said to be as adjacent sides. Means AB and AD here. AB and AD. Observe pairs I am writing here. So this is one pair. And next same like that. AB and BC also meeting at one point. So these 2 sides also having one common vertex. That's why we can call these 2 sides also as adjacent sides. AB, BC. Look, AB and AD, common point. AB and BC, common point. That's why this is one pair, this is one more pair. And such some more. BC and CD also having common point. So these two. So one more pair is BC and CD. Same like that. CD and AD. CD at the AD at the. These two also having common point. That's why this is also one more pair of adjacent sides. CD and AD. So totally 4 pairs of adjacent sides are there in a quadrilateral. So those are all written here. And next, adjacent vertices. Look, take AB. AB is one side or line segment. So line segment has two endpoints. So these two endpoints are said to be as adjacent vertices. Adjacent vertices. That means take one side, endpoints of that side are called adjacent vertices. So pairs of adjacent vertices I am writing here AB, and for this one, for this line segment BC, for this line segment CD, for this line segment AD. So totally 4 pairs of adjacent vertices are there in a quadrilateral.